Welcome to our video tutorial on managing student behaviors using the PureData Behavior Plugin in the PowerTeacher portal. In this step-by-step walkthrough, we'll show you how to create referrals and log both positive and negative behaviors, helping you track student conduct and share important information with administrators. The PureData plugin enhances PowerSchool's native log entry feature by adding fields tailored specifically for teachers and administrators. It's fully integrated into both PowerSchool admin and PowerTeacher portals for a smooth and consistent experience. This plugin is designed to help you document a wide range of student behaviors. Whether you're reinforcing positive habits or addressing areas of concern, the system also supports general logs and automatic email notifications to students, guardians, and staff. This tutorial is focused on teachers and how to enter behavior logs right from the PowerTeacher portal and how to view those entries after they're submitted. Once you're logged into PowerTeacher, head over to the left-hand menu and click on the PureData Behavior Plugin. You'll see two options under the Create Behavior tab: Multi-Student Behavior Entry and PBIS Entry. Let's start with Multi-Student Behavior Entry. This option lets you log behaviors for several students at once, perfect for situations where a group of students is involved. If your school uses a point-based system to recognize positive behavior, the PBIS Entry tab makes it easy to award points with just a few clicks. We'll come back to this in a moment. Click on Multi-Student Behavior Entry, and you'll land on the student selection screen. You can filter by class or use the search bar to find students outside your roster, like those you noticed in the hallway or during lunch. Let's select a few students as an example. Once selected, click Create Behaviors to move to the entry form. At the top of the page, you'll see options to send email notifications. You can choose to notify the student, guardian, and specific staff members like the assistant principal. In our example, we'll notify the guardian, admin team, and Dr. John, our AP. There's also a helpful option to notify all teachers who currently teach that student. Now let's fill in the behavior details. Choose between positive and negative behavior, then select the specific type from the drop-down. For instance, choosing negative behavior may bring up options like cell phone use, while positive behavior could include empathy or perfect attendance. For this walkthrough, we'll select negative behavior and then cell phone use. You'll notice a quick stats panel that shows how often this behavior has been recorded for the student: today, this week, this month, and overall. This helps identify behavior patterns right away. If your school uses a point system, you'll see the option to assign points here. If it's not enabled, this section will be grayed out. Next, enter a detailed description of what happened. Be as specific as possible. It helps administrators understand the context. In the Teacher Action field, note anything you did in response, like calling a parent or moving the student's seat. If the behavior needs to be escalated, you can toggle the referral option. This sends an automatic notification to administrators with all the details. Once escalated, an admin will review the referral, assign a consequence if necessary, or take other appropriate action steps. They can then resolve the referral and communicate back to you with all the details, allowing for a clear, two-way communication process. To save time, if you're reporting the same behavior for multiple students, use the Copy Below button to duplicate your entry across the selected students. You can still edit each one individually afterward if needed. Once everything is filled out, click Submit. That's it. You've successfully logged the behavior. Now let's take a quick look at the PBIS Entry tab. This is your go-to option when you want to quickly award positive points. Just select your class and choose the type of positive behavior. The system will automatically load the pre-assigned points. Then click the plus button next to a student's name to award the points. It's that easy. If you want to view your entries, go to the Reports tab. Depending on your access level, you'll see different reporting options. All logs, for example, will show you every entry you've submitted, while referrals will display all the referrals you've created. Thanks for watching. Your role in promoting a positive and supportive school culture truly makes a difference.